Welcome to Mount Rushmore, carved in granite, enshrined in history. In this episode, we will embark on a journey to explore the iconic Mount Rushmore National Memorial, a testament to American ingenuity, perseverance, and the spirit of democracy. Join us as we uncover the remarkable story behind this monumental masterpiece. Nestled in the Black Hills of South Dakota, Mount Rushmore stands tall, showcasing the colossal faces of four revered American presidents: George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln. The vision for Mount Rushmore began with sculptor Gutzon Borglum, a man with a grand vision to create a lasting tribute to American democracy. With meticulous planning and an unwavering determination, Borglum embarked on an ambitious project that would leave an indelible mark on the nation's history. The carving process was a monumental undertaking. Skilled workers employed dynamite, jackhammers, and chisels to meticulously carve the faces into the granite cliffside. Despite the challenging conditions and technical difficulties, progress continued, creating a lasting testament to human perseverance. Each face on Mount Rushmore represents a pivotal era in American history. George Washington, the father of the nation, symbolizes the birth of the United States. Thomas Jefferson, the principal author of the Declaration of Independence, represents the expansion of American ideals. Theodore Roosevelt, the progressive president, signifies the nation's industrial and economic growth. And Abraham Lincoln, the great emancipator, symbolizes the preservation of the Union and the fight for equality. Beyond the monumental faces, Mount Rushmore is surrounded by breathtaking natural beauty. Visitors from around the world come to witness the awe-inspiring sculpture, learn about American history, and appreciate the pristine landscape that serves as a backdrop to this national treasure. Mount Rushmore stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of America. It serves as a reminder of the visionary leaders who shaped the nation and the values that bind its people together. Beyond its historical significance, Mount Rushmore inspires visitors to reflect on the principles of democracy, freedom, and the pursuit of a better future. As we conclude our journey through Mount Rushmore, we invite you to visit this remarkable national memorial, stand in awe of the towering faces, and immerse yourself in the rich history and natural beauty that surrounds this cultural icon.